Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to make scroll bars always visible in macOS. In macOS Ventura or later, Apple has made hiding scroll bars when not in use a default behavior of the operating system. However, you can choose to prevent this from happening on your Mac. That said, let's find out how it's done the right way. First and foremost, click on the Apple menu located at the upper left corner of the screen. After that, choose System Settings in the drop-down menu. Then select Appearance in the sidebar. Under the Show Scroll Bars option, click the radio button next to Always and you are good to go. And that's pretty much it. Your preference will be implemented instantly and you should now see scroll bars wherever scrolling is available. It's worth pointing out that if you're using macOS Monterey or earlier, the same setting can be found in the General panel of System Preferences. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily hide or show scroll bars on your Mac running macOS 13 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.